Why your hand all the way over there?
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
You got it. You just want to look at your pole because this is where you want the fabric to come up. If you go all the way back here, it's not going to be even. So look at your pole, then that's exactly where you place your hand and you, yep, bring it right on up. Yep, there we go. Hello. Hello. Mm-hmm. Let me take that for you. Now just, yes, yep, you just did that right. You don't want it over the, yeah. Now look at this. So you have to just make sure it's, there you go. And then this little thing, take that, yeah. Make sure that's under. All right, take that.
Yeah, so she can put the picture frame up.
Oh, wait a minute, who on the frame? Hold on.